Okay, so let me show you what you can find in the box of the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3. So here we have our charging case, and for sure inside we can find earbuds, the left one and the right one. Also, that's how it looks from the back side. And here we can find the USB-C and the speaker, and on the right side you can find the button to pair or hard reset these earbuds. Next, inside we can find some accessories. So as you can see right here, we've got the USB-C cable. It's very short actually. Also, we can find the ear tips. I just changed mine because on the default it was like extra large, so I remove and put it to the small. That's like 3 different pairs: extra small, small and the large. There's also the warranty card and the user manual. Nothing interesting here. And that's all. And if you take a look on the box, you can find the information that it comes without the charging brick. So you can only use the cable to plug it to the USB-A to your PC or any other device, and also base information about the color product, product name, serial number. So yeah, that's it. That's how it looks. That's quick unboxing of the FreeBuds Pro 3. If you are looking for any tutorials, you can also find them on my YouTube channel. And if you are looking for some review, for sure I'm gonna do this, but after like 1 or 2 months of using. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.